Hi guys, today I'm back with another mold to test out, and as you can see it's already started because I thought I was filming and I wasn't. So I have mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added my favourite colour, which is Rose Quartz, and I'm going to fill the rest of this mold up. But what it is a bunch of crystals sort of grouped together, but we'll find out once it's cured. So continuing to fill up this mold. It is a really pretty colour, this glitter. Just an ultra fine glitter from Glitter Overload in Australia. Right. So I'll let that sit for a while, and then I will grab my little heat tool here and pop any bubbles that appear, and I'll let that cure for at least 24 hours, and I'll be back for the unmoulding. Okay, time to unmold these crystals. Wow, they are definitely crystal-like. I don't know what you would use this for, apart from display. I'm not sure. Well, if you're looking for a crystal mold, give this one a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.